Hi, Miss M6946. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rosemary Gabonada from Philippines. I am 46 years old. I am a mother of 3 children. One boy, 28 years old. One girl, and 27 years old. I have experience in 2 years and 3 months from Saudi Arabia. I serve in four family, 2 adults and 2 children, 1 newborn baby and only 1 4 years old. I need to wash clothes, iron, and then how to cook the.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have 2 children, which is the newborn and a 4 years old child. So you
Yes,
are the one
sir.
who taking good care of the newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how to prepare milk for a newborn baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I need check the temperature. I need check milk, and I also check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
Number 1 is calling my employer. What happened? The baby is no stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I need work to Hong Kong. The Hong Kong is a good country and then safe. And then I need big salary and in good country.
Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
I need 2 years and then more if employer I need me.
Okay, as long as your employer need you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, by the way, do you know how or do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn to my employer, see the YouTube and then anything.
Okay, so you will watch on YouTube or also to learn to your employer.
Yes.
Okay, it is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with a baby or kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets and elderly?
Yes, sir.
How about learning their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
My dearest employer, if you need me, I'm willing to work honest and then I need honest to work and then more especially good employer and then
Okay,
Thank you so much.
can you promise also to take good care of their children?
yes, sir.
Can you promise also that you will follow the rules and regulations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Rosemary.
Thank you also, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
madam.
bye-bye.